Yamaha YBR 125. Just about to do the swinging arm bushes. Felt a little bit of play in them. Let me show you how I test it. So, hope you can see that alright. So what I do is grab the end of the wheel and pull, and then where my finger is there, you can see that you can feel a bit of movement. So it's actually where the swinging arm is pivoting. You can feel by pulling the end of the wheel, so that movement, you can feel there's play there. They're fitted with plastic bushes and metal inserts plus oil seals, which I've got as well. So I'm gonna start to undo it. So the way I'm going to do it, I'll stop and start the camera, maybe that might help you, is I'm going to undo this bolt on this side, take that off, that's going to come off, and on the other side as well I'm going to undo that, maybe the exhaust as well, if that drops. I might have to undo the exhaust then. And I'm going to loosen the chain, and also as well the brake, the pin there, take the wheel off as well. And on this one I'm going to be replacing the tyres, so the wheels are coming off anyway. But hopefully you should see it's not too hard. Once I remove all these, we should be able to get access to the swinging arm. So that's what I'm going to be doing. If there's any questions, let me know on the comments, and I'll start now to take it apart.